So guys, you're welcome to another episode of my YouTube channel. Today I bought a brand new video making kit going to be used for my video making. See over here, it's a tripod, it has a flashlight, it has a microphone, it has a smartphone inverter holder, it has a remote. It's a video making kit. You can see I got it for my cool videos, and we are going to unveil it today to see what it entails. What you can find inside. The power is 5W. It's very nice. 49 frequency. The handles you're going to unveil to see. This is how it looks like. So I'll open it. I did open it from the shop to check everything is correct inside. So there's everything inside here. See, there's nothing else inside again. This is what I got. And so we have our tripod stand. You can see as it is. Okay, so you can open. Yeah, set. Put this one here. So put on our. Okay, this is how it is. It comes the AUX pin. You can see it comes with the remote. I think there is an inbuilt battery, is on and off. Okay, it's working. It's working. Flashlight. That's one of the main reasons I got it for. That's a flashlight. And there is no battery inside. You use the AA battery. There isn't any. Got the holder. It's a smart holder. You can see very good smart holder. Wow. And a very good microphone that you can use for, I think it's removable. Okay. Yes, you can remove it, so you can maybe test the mic 1 2 1 2. You can hold it. Let me try and arrange it, then let's see. So just as it's on the case, I'm gonna try to arrange it just like that. So I have this one here, and this one over here. No, it's a mistake. It's this way rather. Oh, good. I got it. It's this way. Good. Then I have my camera here. Good. And there is a switch I can use to lock the camera. Very beautiful one over here. You can see it's locked. It's tight. Then let's see over the mic. Okay, so you can decide to put the microphone over here. This is how it looks like. Or this way. I want you guys to have a clear view. Yeah, this way. Or you can have it this way. Let's see. Beautiful. Then there is another. I think you can also put the microphone here. Wow, beautiful. So that if you have another extra something to plug, you can plug it on here. Then we have the cord. The cord has this stick. So you remove it. The cord is one has the 3 line, one has the 2 line. One for the phone and one for the microphone. The one for the phone will be the 3, then the one for the microphone will be the 2. No, the one for the microphone will be the 2, and the one for the phone will be there. No, the one for the, yes, that's how it's going to be. So I don't have my phone here. I'm using my phone to record. I'll take a picture of it once it's done and make sure you guys have a feel of it. But this is how it is. So you can hold it this way. Do your shooting. You can see. Or this way. Yeah. I was thinking it was going to be one straight one, so that this one can come stand. You can use it this way too. Let's see. You can be recording like this. You can be holding it like this. You need to record it down to. Very beautiful gadget I got over here. So I'm going to be testing it out, and I'll let you know the reviews that will come out with. Thanks for watching, guys. do appreciate you. Bye.